What's going on, everybody? It's Gabe over here, properly seasoned in my cleanish kitchen, sort of clean, where we are right at the beginning of summer, and I'm catching all kinds of gnats and bugs and stuff. You want to see something that's not awesome? This happens every year. We gotta have the damn house exterminated every year. I mean, I guess it's just normal for everybody, but whatever. We are going to make today some Chic Fil A loaded fries, loaded waffle fries. Chic Fil A loaded fries. Your Chic Fil A sucks. Let's make some loaded waffle fries. I don't know. Whatever. Let's be fatties together. So, stopped on the way back from the shop. Picked up a bunch of stuff from the Lord's Chicken. So we got some fries. We got us a spicy chicken sandwich. And some good old mac and cheese. So we are going to make some loaded fries, which all I'm gonna do is we're gonna combine a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna cut some stuff up that I would add to it on a normal basis, and I just realized they did not give me my damn pickles. Son of a. It's okay. It's okay. Worst things have happened. We have 7, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 pickles left in this thing. That's unfortunate. I don't want to use my pickles. Don't we have more pickles in here? Do y'all see pickles? Pickles. I mean, there's my pickles, but those are still marinating. They need more time to marinate. Whatever. Alright, so we can get this bag out the way. Maybe the pickles are on the sandwich? I hope. So this guy here, what we need is a knife. We're gonna use this guy today. Alrighty. One knife. And now I think we are ready. So we need to, we don't need to chop up anything yet. So we need to lay the base down here of fries. Let's make sure that, what the heck is that? I'm not okay with that. So what we're gonna do is get, first thing we're gonna quality test. Yeah, or waffle fries. Make us a nice little pile here in the center. Oh, before y'all get started, if you're going to follow along with this recipe, guys are making loaded fries. I'm not really even doing much. Preheat oven 400 degrees. Got it? Everybody? 400 degrees. It's really awkward to hold my head like this. Alright. We need to make layer number 1, which is going to be the layer of macaroni and cheese. So again, we need to do a little quality assurance test here. Yeah. It's I mean, it's Chic Fil A. It's a decent macaroni and cheese. I don't know who would have a problem with this. It's not homemade mac and cheese. I get it, but it's Chic Fil A loaded fries. Everything should be from Chic Fil A aside from like some vegetables and the pickles that they forgot that might still be on the burger, or on the sandwich, but whatever. What you doing, old man? All right, good talk. See you later. That was my dog Falcor. Getting some old puppies around here, unfortunately. Put however much of this macaroni and cheese you want on your waffle fries. It's up to you. This is, I mean, we're again, it ain't rocket science. It's not rocket appliances here. Y'all be making mountains out of molehills out of everything. Just do you, my guy. Alright. More quality testing? Yeah, it's good. And I'm eating with my mouth full. And I'm smacking my food. What are you gonna do about it? Huh? What you gonna do about it? You gonna cry in this video? Who cares? You don't like it? Go somewhere else. That done, that done, that done. We can make our little pile over here. So, we need our chicken for the loaded fries. It's spicy chicken, which they gave us some, but now the bread's all weird and soggy. So, we're gonna eat the pickles and use those. We're just gonna give this guy a good chop. Good Chic Fil A spicy chicken, the Lord's spicy chicken apparently. So I'm just chopping it into like 1-inch cubes, I guess, a 1/2-inch cubes, 1-inch cubes. I don't know, I'm a guy, I'm not good at measuring things. We're always wrong. So get that kind of piled on here a little bit. Taste test for quality assurance. Yep, that's Chic Fil A chicken. And we're gonna eat the pickles. Because I really like pickles. Thank you for cooperating. So what we want to do here, oh, there was another paper towel. What we want to do here is we're going to take a little bit of our Monterey Jack cheese. And we're just going to add this to the party. Let me find my little, found one, cheese grater. Y'all are about to watch me struggle with opening a thing of cheese. What don't I struggle with? Oh, that's right. Not much. I am just an idiot sometimes. Most of the time. All of the time. Alright. We'll take a little bit of this cheese and add a little more to it. So again, is this necessary for your loaded waffle fries? No. But it's necessary for my loaded waffle fries. Again, do you. Put whatever you want, whatever your heart desires, whatever you want to clog your arteries with, on your damn waffle fries. Just like I'm doing right now. I didn't invent loaded fries. I don't know the rules. I'm just doing whatever I want. That was awkward. Alright, so all we have left is vegetables and some Chic Fil A sauce, if y'all can see that. So this can go right into the oven. We're not doing anything for long here. We're just going to get this melted and get everything kind of re-warmed back up. what I do want to do is find a baggie. Yes, the floor is dirty because I just went into the garage where it's dusty. Shut up. Let me get one of these quart boys. Take the cheese, put that guy right in there. Close that. Goes in the refrigerator. Alright, so that's warming up. It's melting the cheese down. So what I can do is now we can start on the choppy chop of the veg. So, oops, I need to leave that open. Start with a little bit of onion. Let's cut, not that side off, that side off. Okay. So we only need roughly about half. You know, just think of it, this is a Chic Fil A value meal with macaroni and cheese. If you do the fat boy things like I do, that's hey, this serves 4 or 5 people, or just me. I guess I identify as 4 or 5 freaking people. So, but I like a good bit of crunch from onions with. I mean, most of the things I eat have a little bit of crunch from some kind of onion or pepper. Oops. So we're going to take a little Serrano boy and chop, 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 chop. A little bit of tomato. It's going to be this way. And if y'all have never seen me cut vegetables before, make sure the knife is sharp and honed. I did hone this one before the video. I usually do it during the video, but I had just cleaned this knife. That's why it wasn't where it was supposed to be. So make sure it's honed, make sure it's sharp, and just let the knife do the work. My guy. That can go in there. So we got onions. We got the peppers. And we got I gotta stop dropping the damn knife. It's probably loud in the video. So to go with the rest of the sandwich, we're going to use some pickles. Not many pickles, because that's all I got left. And the pickles they had on the sandwich, which usually when you ask for extra pickles, and I ask for extra pickles every time, they usually come on the side in like little cups from Chic Fil A, but maybe they don't have the little cups? I got nothing. It's not that big of a deal. We're moving on. So just a real easy dice to those. And we're going to take a little bit of the cilantro for some greenage in this in this here recipe. That's what you want to call it. So the rest of that can go in there. Just a rough chop, no big deal. This is more of we're making it pretty, and I don't want to use parsley. So let's check on our stuff here. I don't know how long it's been, but it doesn't need too long. I think that's probably pretty good. A thing? Oh yeah, this is my house. I knew where the things were. Who said I didn't? Get your little thingamajig here. All right. Oh yeah. Monterey Jack is nice and melted. Everything feels pretty darn warm. Yeah, everything's warmed back up. We're good to go. I need to keep that. So we want to do a little bit garnish here. Actually, you know what? We don't. We want to make I'm going to add a little bit of this before we start adding a lot of bit of that. So we take our Chic Fil A sauce, do a little bit of drizzle over the top, take our onion, a little bit of that. Again, you don't have to do any of these fresh veggies. These are just what I would like to have on my loaded fries here. Take a little bit of chopped tomato or diced tomato, and then of course it's not loaded chicken sandwich fries, whatever the crap we're calling this, without the pickles. So we put some pickles on here. And then we'll come back with a little bit of greenery right there on the top. And then of course, y'all know what time it is. It is time to waste more paper towels. Time to move stuff out of the way so we can take us a little picture. You know, we got to do this for the Facebooks, for the grams, for the whatevers. So I know that's probably not going to be cold. We can get that guy right here. Maybe a bit of an angle. That works. Move the stuff out of the background. And get us a picture, try to clean up from whatever is hanging out in front here. And now that we've done that part, taking a couple of, oh wait, I need to take a closer up picture. Sorry, my bad. I need to do a 1x instead of a wide angle. There is a method to my madness sometimes, I promise. I guess we can knock out a portrait while we're here. Are y'all getting bored yet? Because I would like to have some of this to see how I did. Can y'all see that? Right. Now we are cooking with gas. I mean, we're literally cooking with gas, whatever. Alright, let's give this a shot here. See, oh, it's loaded fries. I guess we can use a fork so I don't burn the crap out of my hand, but let's try to get a little bit of everything in here. A little macaroni and cheese, a little French fry. That's not cold. Macaroni and cheese, a little chicken, some of the sauce, some of the veg, and be loud and annoying for eating this stuff on film. Yeah, I mean, I'm talking with my mouth full and y'all can probably hear me smacking this around in my head. because you know people will find everything to complain about. Whatever. That is fantastic. Whatever you got to do that. Just make that. This is like thebomb.com dot everything. Y'all should at me for this one. However you want to make your loaded fries. Go stop whatever it is you're doing and go get you some Chic Fil A. Well, if it's Sunday, I can't help you. Get you some Chic Fil A. Do this. 400 degrees in that little guy over there. Do whatever you want here. Melt in that little guy over there. Then top and make your loaded waffle fries. That was fantastic. So now I'm going to go sit down and eat the rest of my damn lunch. This is not one of those that's getting made, tried, and tossed out. I mean, it's a cooking channel. That happens sometimes. Can't do it. We can't eat everything around here, or else I'd be way fatter than I am now. So that's it. Y'all make sure you like and subscribe for more absolute nonsense like this that is very good. And I will see y'all next time. Get the hell out of my kitchen.